What if I told you there's a way to earn over $10,000 per month on YouTube without showing your face? I know it sounds unrealistic, but trust me, this is 100% real and possible. Ordinary people are quietly building faceless YouTube empires in hidden niches and banking 5-figure incomes per month. In this video, I reveal 3 secret faceless YouTube niches that are making a lot of money right now. These niches have very little competition and huge demand. Plus, I'll show you a powerful AI tool that can help you create amazing videos in just a few clicks, even if you have no editing experience. So, hit that like button and let's dive in. Alright, the first channel that I am going to show you is Fluctus. This faceless channel covers military technology and engineering topics like aircraft, helicopters, and weapons. Every single month, this faceless YouTube channel gets around 13 million monthly views. Based on Social Blade stats, they likely earn over $3,000 to $52,000 per month. This channel is a great example of a faceless YouTube channel that's easy to create with stock footage and voiceovers. If you're interested in military engineering, this is a great niche to consider. The next faceless channel on our list is Navy Productions. This channel is all about the US Navy, covering everything from aircraft carriers and submarines to naval history and more. According to Social Blade, this channel gets over 4 million monthly views and makes between $1,000 to $18,000 per month. It's safe to say that this channel is doing pretty well. And the best part is, their videos are super easy to make and they never show their face. Instead, they use simple footage and images to talk about Navy operations in an engaging way. If you're interested in the US Navy, or if you're just looking for a niche for your own faceless channel, this is a great option to consider. Finally, we have Real Engineering, one of my favorite faceless channels. They produce short, informative videos about engineering topics like aerospace, transportation, and military technology. Amazingly, with just 167 videos uploaded so far, they already have over 4 million subscribers. That goes to show that this niche has very low competition. They use stock video footage, text, and graphics to create their videos and voiceovers to explain complex concepts in a simple way. Now, I'll show you how to create professional-looking videos in minutes with this new AI video maker. No video editing experience required. All you need to do is type in a text prompt, and the AI will generate a video with footage, text, and transitions. So, let me show you how. First, head over to my YouTube description and click the first link. This will take you directly to the InVideo AI Video Maker site. Once you have signed up, you will see InVideo's clean interface with a prompt box. You need to write instructions for your video in this box. However, you do not need to write a full prompt, as I have already done that for you. I have put a detailed instruction prompt in the description. Simply copy and paste the detailed prompt from the description into InVideo's prompt box. This will give the AI the information it needs to make a personalized video. Be sure to edit the prompt to include your title, voiceover, music, and length. Once you are finished, click the Generate button and the AI will make your professional video in minutes. I will fast forward so we can see the finished result. Wow! Just look at the awesome video the AI made for us in minutes. For this example, I had it create a video just like a Real Engineering YouTube channel. Check out the end result. You'll be amazed at what it came up with. It's like having your own professional video team.
The development of these eco-friendly machines isn't just a dream, it's becoming our reality. Picture this, a world with fewer accidents, less traffic congestion, and more time for you to relax during your commute. But the evolution doesn't stop there. Think about the concept of hyperloops.
This AI video is next level. As a creator myself, I'm impressed by the visuals, the voiceover, and the way the topic is explained. Honestly, I'd give it a 9 out of 10. If you want to remove the watermark, access all the amazing premium features, and monetize without copyright issues, I highly recommend upgrading to the premium version of this AI. It's worth every penny. If you want to see a clear and detailed explanation of how to generate YouTube videos with this AI, watch this video. And don't forget to subscribe and like so you don't miss out on any future videos like this.